Today, we're diving into an exciting new release that's set to redefine the world of mirrorless photography, the OM System OM-5 Mark II. With its blend of advanced technology, portability, and incredible performance, this camera is a game-changer for photographers and videographers alike. Let's break down the impressive features that make this device a must-have for creators at any level. Revolutionary sensor and image processing technology. At the heart of the OM-5, Mark II lies a powerful 20.4 megapixel live MOS sensor designed to deliver superior image quality. But it's not just about pixel count. The camera's performance is enhanced by the new TruePic 9 image processor. This advanced processor works in harmony with the sensor, boosting image clarity, reducing noise, and accelerating processing speeds. Whether you're capturing fast-moving action, breathtaking landscapes, or intimate portraits, the OM-5 Mark II ensures that every shot is rich in detail. Stunning in-body image stabilization. One of the standout features of the OM-5 Mark II is its upgraded in-body image stabilization system, offering up to 6.5 stops of compensation, or 7.5 stops with compatible lenses. This technology is a true game-changer. Say goodbye to blurry shots caused by camera shake, especially in low-light conditions or while shooting handheld. This feature also significantly enhances video quality, resulting in smooth cinematic footage, even without the need for bulky stabilizing equipment like gimbals. For vloggers, travelers, or documentarians, this stabilization system opens up endless creative possibilities, offering unmatched flexibility on the go AI-driven autofocus for precision. The OM-5 Mark II takes autofocus to the next level with its sophisticated 121-point hybrid autofocus system, which blends phase detection and contrast detection for lightning-fast focus. This intelligent autofocus system isn't just fast, it's smart too. With AI-enhanced capabilities, including refined face and eye detection, the camera can automatically lock onto your subject's eyes, ensuring perfect focus throughout a shoot. Whether you're photographing fast-moving subjects or shooting portraits, you can rely on the OM-5 Mark II to keep your subject in sharp focus. For astrophotographers, this camera features an innovative Starry Sky AF mode that automatically focuses on celestial objects, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Whether you're capturing the Milky Way or focusing on distant stars, this specialized feature makes nighttime shooting easier and more accurate than ever. Handheld high-resolution imaging. For those moments when you want to capture every minute detail, the OM-5 Mark II offers a remarkable 50 megapixel handheld high-resolution mode. Utilizing sensor shift technology, this mode captures multiple frames and merges them to create one incredibly detailed image. The best part? No tripod is required. This is a massive advantage for travel photographers, street shooters, and adventurers who need to capture ultra-high-res images without the hassle of carrying additional gear. Whether you're shooting for large-scale prints or commercial projects, the OM-5 Mark II guarantees exceptional image quality, even while on the move. Professional. 4K video capabilities beyond photography, the OM-5 Mark II shines in the video department as well. Offering 4K UHD recording at up to 30 frames per second, it provides sharp, detailed footage ideal for professional-level video production. What's more, there's no recording time limit, which is perfect for long events or interviews where continuous recording is essential. For filmmakers looking to add a cinematic touch to their content, the OM-5 Mark II includes OM Log 400, a log profile that enhances dynamic range and provides greater flexibility in post-production color grading. Whether you're crafting a YouTube vlog, documentary, or cinematic short film, this camera's video capabilities will elevate your content to the next level. Rugged and compact for outdoor adventures, designed with the adventurous photographer in mind, the OM-5 Mark II boasts a rugged, weather-resistant body with an IP53 rating. It's dust-proof, splash-resistant, and built to withstand the elements, making it the perfect companion for photographers and videographers who work in challenging environments. From rainy forests to snowy mountain peaks, the OM-5 Mark II will keep performing no matter where you take it. Despite its durability, the camera's compact size ensures that it won't weigh you down. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to carry, making it a top choice for travel photographers or outdoor enthusiasts who need to pack light without sacrificing performance. Creative features for every photographer. The OM-5 Mark II also offers a variety of creative tools to help you explore your artistic side. With modes like live composite and live bulb, you can capture light trails, fireworks, and long exposures with real-time previews, ensuring that you get the perfect shot every time. For macro photographers, the camera's focus bracketing and stacking modes ensure sharpness throughout your frame, making it easier to capture intricate subjects. Additionally, the OM-5 Mark II comes equipped with a range of artistic filters and creative modes, allowing you to experiment with different aesthetics directly out of the camera. Plus, its built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity makes it easy to share your work instantly or control the camera remotely via the OM Image Share app. All-day power and connectivity. Never worry about running out of power while on a shoot, thanks to the OM-5 Mark II's USB charging and power delivery capabilities. With the ability to charge via a portable power bank or shoot while plugged in, you can stay productive throughout the day without interruptions. Whether you're shooting in the studio or on location, the camera's robust battery life ensures that you'll never miss a moment. Who is the OM-5 Mark II for? The OM-5 Mark II is designed for photographers, videographers, and creators of all kinds. Whether you're an amateur or a seasoned professional, this camera offers a wealth of features that cater to a wide range of needs. Travel photographers. With its rugged design and compact form, the OM-5 Mark II is an ideal travel companion for capturing breathtaking landscapes and unforgettable moments on the go. Wildlife and nature enthusiasts. Its fast autofocus and high-speed continuous shooting make it perfect for capturing fast-moving animals and fleeting moments in nature. Portrait shooters. The AI-enhanced face and eye detection make it easy to capture beautiful, focused portraits every time. Vloggers and filmmakers. With its 4K video, in-body image stabilization, and unlimited recording time, the OM-5 Mark II is an excellent tool for content creation. Beginners and hobbyists. The camera's intuitive interface and creative modes make it accessible to those just starting out, while still providing advanced features for growth. Final thoughts. A compact powerhouse for the modern creator in the fast-evolving world of digital cameras, the OM system OM-5 Mark II manages to strike an impressive balance between power, portability, and user-friendliness. Whether you're capturing stunning photos, creating high-quality videos, or experimenting with creative features, this camera offers something for everyone. Its combination of advanced imaging technology, rugged design, and thoughtful features makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned professionals alike.